Jet2.com and your cabin crew would like to welcome you all back to Newcastle. Well, the local time is just approaching 8:15. Please remain in your seats with your seatbelt fastened and you'll have baggage stowed until the aircraft has parked and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Before leaving us this evening, please ensure that you have all of your personal items with you by checking the overhead lockers in the area around your seat. And please do take care when opening the overhead lockers in case anything has moved during today's flight or landing. We would like to advise our passengers that smoking is not permitted anywhere inside the terminal building, nor is it permitted on the walk or the bus to the terminal itself. Mobile telephone should not be switched back on until you have cleared immigration inside the terminal building. Our ground staff here in Newcastle offer support. They will be meeting the aircraft and you will find uniformed personnel within the baggage reclaim area should you require any further assistance. Finally, on behalf of us all here at Jet2.com, we would thank you for flying with us today. We do hope that you've enjoyed your flight back to Newcastle with us and we look forward to seeing you on a Jet2 aircraft in the very near future. Once again, thank you and a very good evening to you all. Ladies and gentlemen, Jet2 Holidays has some fantastic deals for the remainder of summer. Check out our website or ask the cabin crew for a brochure as you leave the aircraft with us this evening. Thank you. All passengers should please remain seated with the seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has parked and cable company stops. Thank you.